Hello, friends. Welcome to my math lesson for today. Today we are going to keep working on making number bonds and subtraction sentences. And we are going to work on number 9 today. First, we're going to do our application problem. So this application problem uses 9 pennies. So if you want to use 9 pennies, you can, or you can use whatever you have as long as you have 9 of something. I'm going to use my counters here. So I have 9 counters. We're going to pretend those are pennies. Jeremy had 9 pennies. He wanted to put some pennies in one pocket and some pennies in the other pocket. Show me how many are in each pocket. So there is no right or wrong answer. You just move some to one side and some to the other side. How many pennies are in this pocket? 3. How many are in this pocket? 6. Can we make a number bond for our story? So we have, here's our number bonds. And remember, how many pennies do we have? 9. How many pennies are in one pocket? 3. And how many pennies are in the other pocket? 6. That is one way to show some pennies in one pocket and some in the other pocket. Can you find some other ways to show this story? So you can put your counters or whatever you have back together to show the whole. And then you can put a different amount over here and a different amount over there. And that will show you different ways to show 9. And remember to make a number bond for the different ways as well. So if you would like to keep working on that, you can. I'm going to move on. Okay. So we are going to use you can use a piece of paper. I'm going to use a whiteboard today. So I want you to listen to my story. Jenny had 9 bouncy balls. So I'm going to draw 9 balls. Let's see, I'm going to actually do it this way. I'm going to draw 9 balls the 5 group way. Do you remember what that is? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 5 group way. 3 of those balls are green. So I am going to circle 3 balls. These balls are green. Can we make a number bond about our story? So we have, let's make our number bond. So we have how many bouncy balls all together? 9. How many are green? 3. How many are not green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, can we show how many are not green? So we're going to cross out the 3. So we know that how many are not green? 6. So let's write a number sentence. What number do we start with? We start with the whole, 9. Then how many do we take away to find out how many are not green? We take away 3. And then how many are not green? 6. So here's our number sentence. 9 take away 3 equals 6. Okay, very good. Now I'm going to tell you another story. I'm going to erase what I have here. All right. So now, James has 9 rocks. So we have 9 rocks here. 4 of those rocks are white. How many are white? 4. How many are not white? So we're going to circle the 4 that are white, and we can also cross them out because we want to find out how many are not white. So let's make our number bond for this problem. So we have, remember the number that goes at the top is the whole. And then how many are white? 4. How many are not white? 5. So if we want to find out how many are not white, which number are we going to cross out? We're going to cross out the 4 because we want to know how many are not white. So let's make our number sentence for this problem. Start with the number 9. We make our takeaway sign. How many do we take away? 4. And then we make our equal sign. How many are not white? 5. So now we can say 9 take away 4 white rocks is 5 rocks. Very good. Okay, very good. And we're going to try one or two more. So, Callie had 9 apples. So let's draw our 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to make it the 5 group way. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She had 7 green. How many green? 7. So let's see. We have, so I'm going to circle 7 here. How many are not green? Remember, let's make our number bond. So we have 9 apples. We have 7 that are green. How many are not green? 2. What number do we need to cross out to find out how many are not green? We need to cross out number 7. And we find out we have 2 that are not green. Can you make a number sentence for this problem? Okay, now what happens if we change it that she has 1 that is green? She only has 1 that is green. How many are not green? So we have 1. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She has 8 that are not green. So let's cross out the 1. So we see that there are 8. And let's make our number sentence. 9 minus 1 equals 8. And if you want, you can come up with some more ways of how many she has that are green and how many are not green. But I do have a practice set for you. I have 2 problems. So I want you to draw 9 circles. On paper, and you can draw them 2 times. So this is one time, this is another time. And I'm going to tell you a story, okay? And then you're going to make the number bonds and the number sentences. There were 9 baseballs. Let's see, there are 9 baseballs. 5 of them were taken to play with. How many baseballs are left? And here's the other problem. There were 9 leaves on the ground. 4 of them blew away. How many are left? So you can make your own number sentences and number bonds to show those practice sets. All right, boys and girls. Well, I hope you learned some more math today, and I will see you soon. Goodbye.